Hello everyone, and this is just to show something on Minecraft for me. I've done so many things, as in restarting Minecraft, as in deleting it off of all the files, and re-downloading it. I messed with my Wi-Fi for a bit. I went to the website, logged out, logged in, did the same on the starting one that the screen showed first. And, well, I did something else, but I don't know how to explain it. It just kind of trailed off into doing it, but it cannot connect to the server automatically. It just doesn't work at all. I don't know why Phantom MC, I call it Phantom MC, I don't know why this one isn't working. Well, this one could technically work right now. Oh, never mind. Well, it just doesn't work. It's just not too fond of working like most kids in school. And Inception. There we go. That's something. I don't know if there's anything I can do, but looks cool. Well, anyway, this is just to show what is going on with this. It just doesn't work. And that isn't the name of the server, but it just isn't working. Same with the picture for Mineplex. Just not working. That's all I really need to say. That's all I wanted to say because I just wanted to bring it up. I tried refreshing. Oh, you know something that I didn't try? I could just retry doing this. And so would that work? Just test around them. Because I think it would be pointless if I wasted my time on messing. Might be the same as... Yeah, here's the same as this one. Just isn't working. Well, anyway, this is just to show what's going on. I'm not sure if this is happening to anybody else, but it's happening to me, and I'm not too fond of it because I was really looking forward to Minecraft. So get on this, Mojang, or whoever owns it now. I don't care. Just, yeah, it's Mojang. Get on this, Mojang. Get on this, Minecraft. Honestly, I like the update, but come on, it's not fun to not play the game. Still like this kind of font. I want that for like a school science fair project. It's also something we need to release. Get on it, Mojang. Anyway, I'm just gonna end the video. Bye. Let's see if this works. Yay. Bye.